Hello, family. Welcome back to the channel, home of the ROC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. Okay, if you're interested in the Patreon, the links will be in the description and in the comments. Okay, as well as the links for the merch will be in the description and in the comments. Also, if you want to get the 9 to 5 dropout shirt as well as this self-educated tee, okay, we got those in long sleeves and short sleeves and in the hoodies. Okay, so once again, those links will be in the description and in the comments. So we have a lot going on. I'm going to touch a little bit on the migration and things to look out for the V2. But if we look at the market, Saitama is down 7%, but we're still fluctuating in that 34 range. And if we look at the market cap over here, the market cap is still in that 151 billion range. I mean, usually when Saitama is down kind of in the red in the volume and in the price action, the market cap continues to dip. But Saitama has this trend right now where they're not dipping in all phases right now. Okay, they're not dipping. If they're in the red in the price action, they're in the green somewhere down here at the bottom of the volume or the market cap. And if they're in the red somewhere down here, at times they're in the green up in the price action. Okay, it's actually a crazy thing to think about. This is still a fighting project right here. Okay, and if we look at the holders will also. Now I don't know what this is right here, whether this is a glitch or whatever right here. It may be that some holders have sold off, but we've seen this 10%. There was a 10% drop or a 10% glitch I think it was last week or something like that where this happened. But I think the holders for the most part are still up here in the 366,000 holder range. All right, so I also wanted to talk about this. Now we have the V2 coming up. Okay, we have the V2 migration coming up, and a lot of individuals out there have to be aware of things that are going to go on, so you just don't get caught up into a lot of mess out there. Okay, now if you see things like on Dex Tools, there are going to be a lot of trending scams out there. Okay, there are going to be a lot of trending scams. There are also going to be I don't know how they get on Coin Market Cap, but there are also going to be a lot of these scams on Coin Market Cap. I don't know how they get on there so fast, but of course, Coin Market Cap does not do their due diligence. It seems like they're just letting anybody get on, even in a migration phase. Okay, in my opinion, when projects are having a migration phase, the scam possibility goes up like 1,000%. Okay, and these projects are still getting on Coin Market Cap, and of course, you have a lot of investors who are investing their hard-earned money. Okay, they're losing out in these projects right here. Okay, now also if you see things like the price fluctuating down, just remember, now this is the same thing that happened with well, I think it happened with man docs or something like that. It happened with them where the price action had fluctuated all the way down. Just know that during the migration we have a lot of liquidity movement. Okay, and that is perfectly normal. We have a lot of liquidity movement, but more than likely a lot of that the numbers always go up. Okay, back to normal. All right, so for a lot of the investors out there, this will be their first migration. So when you see like big price fluctuation, okay, just know that that is normal. Okay, and avoid a lot of the scams out here. Okay, so the thing is this right here. Um, you know, we have to have patience. We have to continue to do our due diligence when we have situations like this, okay? Because a lot is going on, all right? And like I said, this is going to be the first migration for a lot of new investors out there, okay? So what you want, you want to do your own due diligence, so your investment will be safe and sound. Now, for the most part, you really do not have to do anything because you know, the Saitama team is not only doing the migration for free for everyone, but you don't have to do anything. Everything will be automated. Okay. Now I know in my Twitter I've been getting a lot of you know, DMs asking me, is it going to be automated? What do I have to do? Because the thing is this: a lot of individuals are they have their Saitama on multiple other exchanges. They have them on multiple other wallets. Some are still confused on what to do. And this is what it goes back to, of individuals having to do their own due diligence. Okay, individuals still do not know how to follow the social media sites or the correct social media sites for these projects that they are in. Okay, and the thing is this: every project, right? When you go over here, okay, this is CoinMarketCap. A lot of us, okay, we know what CoinMarketCap is. So when you go over here, you press on the community and see this right here. This is the Twitter space. This, when you click on community, you'll see something right here like Twitter. Okay, like now everything, the social media sites that you can follow and everything will be here. So you go to community, you can click on Twitter, okay, and things like this will pop up. Okay, now this right here is the Saitama official right here. Okay, so this is where you will go and find all of the Saitama content to keep up to date on how everything is going. This is where you want to be at for when these migrations happen. All right, now when you go here, you'll see it says Saitama official, and you'll go to tweets and replies, because sometimes when you keep it on tweets, a lot of this stuff is jumbled up. It's not in order. So when you go up here, you go to tweets and replies. Okay, and then this would kind of categorize everything and put everything in order, so you can see everything that's being tweeted by the minute. Okay, so as you can see, if you go over here, you can see that these are the last few tweets that Saitama had put out. Okay, and then this is how you keep up with it, because sometimes, look, when they make a tweet, they might make a tweet, okay, an up-to-date tweet, and it doesn't even show up here in the main tweets first. Okay, so this is how you do this. All right, and so if we go over here again, let's click on this right here. All right, now this right here is their Telegram. All right, and as you can see, the Saitama Entry Portal Telegram has, at the moment, 470 members. It says the 7 online is probably, an associate in here, this associated with the project. But look, this is the thing. Always go to the official. You can go to the Saitama. You can go to the Saitama section on CoinMarketCap. You can go to community. All right, and always go to the Twitter Spaces and stuff from this site, okay? Or you can go from the Saitama Inu site, which is this site right here, okay? Now, if you go over here and you go, I think you can go to community and stuff like that. If you go all the way down here, okay, everything that you want to know about this project should be on here, okay? And these right here are all their social media. So as you can see, they have Telegram, Facebook, they have Instagram, Twitter, all of that stuff, Discord, everything. Okay, so remember, go to the actual sites, okay, their actual site, or you can go to the CoinMarketCap right here and go to their social media pages from here. All right, because there are also a lot of scammy fake social media pages out here also, okay, that you can get caught up on, okay, because they know how to copy and paste all of this stuff and make it look real. All right, so I hope that this video was kind of helpful for the individuals. And look, like I said, I know that the majority out there know how to find this stuff, but what you have to understand is that there are people out there right now that do not know how to find this stuff, and they are probably going to end up getting hemmed up somewhere along the line during this migration. Okay, you have to understand that. We know that you know what you're supposed to know, but there are individuals out here who do not know what they're supposed to know, and unfortunately, a lot of individuals are going to have greed on their mind, and some things some unfortunate circumstances are going to be developed with some individuals out here in their hard-earned money. Okay, and like I said, all of this is going to be automated during the migration. You do not have to do anything, but there are individuals out there who do not understand that portion of what's going on right now. They do not even understand that was even said by the developers. Okay, so if any new investors see this, okay, you can use this video as a reference. Okay, and remember, still continue to do your own due diligence out here. Okay, so like I said, the migration is going to happen on the 30th. That's in about I think 5 more days or so like that. But yeah, just want everybody to be safe and and I want everybody to be able to enjoy this process right here. It should be a fun process, and there should be good things to come with Saitama. So remember, every now is history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end. Audi.